Welcome back to New Car Updates, the channel where you get the latest, most exciting, and most detailed insights into the world of new vehicles, futuristic designs, and the next generation of automotive innovation. Today, get ready for something truly special because we're taking you inside the 2026 Chevy Camper van, a masterpiece of engineering and modern comfort that transforms every journey into a luxurious home-on-wheels experience. This is not just a vehicle, it's a complete lifestyle upgrade, designed for people who want freedom, adventure, convenience, and a full residential experience wherever the road takes them. As soon as you approach the 2026 Chevy Camper van, the first thing you feel is presence. The exterior design is bold, clean, and futuristic with a confident stance and aerodynamic body lines that show how refined and advanced Chevy's design philosophy has become. It carries a premium image yet maintains the rugged practicality that every true camper van needs. Whether you're planning long-distance travel, off-road exploration, or just weekend getaways, this van instantly tells you it's built for all seasons and all adventures. The large panoramic windows give it a modern touch and allow tons of natural light inside, making the interior feel open and welcoming even before you step in. Once you open the sliding door, the first thing that catches your eye is the beautifully designed living space. The 2026 Chevy Camper van features an intelligently crafted layout that prioritizes comfort and space without wasting a single inch. The living room is impressively spacious, giving you a relaxing environment that genuinely feels like home. Soft LED ambient lighting, premium upholstery, and modern furniture placement make the atmosphere warm, cozy, and stylish. The seating is plush, supportive, and convertible, allowing for multiple configurations depending on your needs. Whether you're relaxing, working, eating, or just enjoying the view, this living room adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. It's a space where every moment feels comfortable and convenient, whether you're parked in the mountains, near the coast, or by a quiet countryside. What makes this van stand out even further is how seamlessly the living room flows into the kitchen. The 2026 Chevy Camper van kitchen is a fully equipped modern cooking area with all the essentials you'd expect from a real home. It includes a sleek countertop, a deep sink, a high-quality induction stove, a compact but efficient refrigerator, and plenty of storage cabinets for all your travel cookware and groceries. The kitchen design is both practical and visually appealing, using high-grade materials that are easy to clean and maintain. The layout allows you to cook full meals comfortably even while on the road. From quick snacks to warm family dinners, this kitchen ensures you're never limited by location. Cooking during travel has never been this enjoyable, and that's one of the strongest advantages of this camper van. Moving toward the rear, you enter the bedroom area, which might be the most impressive part of the 2026 Chevy Camper van. The bed is spacious, soft, and designed to give you hotel-level comfort no matter where you're parked. The designers have really focused on sleep quality, using premium mattresses and creating an environment that minimizes outside noise. Soft lighting, storage cabinets, nighttime reading lights, and charging ports make it perfect for winding down after a long day of travel. Whether it's winter nights or warm summer evenings, this bedroom gives you the perfect ambiance for deep, peaceful rest. The windows around the bedroom also help you wake up to beautiful scenery. Imagine opening your eyes to mountains, beaches, or forests, that's the magic. The 2026 Chevy Camper van brings to your lifestyle. Just next to the bedroom is the fully functional bathroom, and this is where the true luxury of this camper van becomes clear. The bathroom includes a modern toilet, a clean and practical wash basin, and a full shower area with excellent water pressure. The smart water management system ensures your showers are comfortable without wasting resources. The entire bathroom is designed with stylish materials and a layout that feels spacious, not cramped. Having a proper bathroom with privacy, cleanliness, and comfort inside a camper van is a huge advantage, and Chevy has executed it beautifully. This feature alone turns long trips into a pleasure instead of a challenge. From the living room to the kitchen, from the bedroom to the bathroom, every part of the 2026 Chevy Camper van works together to create a stunning, complete living experience on wheels. It doesn't matter if you're traveling as a couple, a small family, or even solo, the van is designed to adapt to all situations. It offers power outlets, climate control, smart storage solutions, multi-zone lighting, and advanced insulation, all of which make long journeys smooth and enjoyable. The van gives you full independence, letting you explore remote places without sacrificing comfort. On top of all that, the driving experience of the 2026 Chevy Camper van remains as smooth and powerful as you'd expect from Chevy. It features a refined engine, enhanced safety systems, and modern driver assistance features that make every mile stress-free. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through tight paths, the van stays controlled, stable, and comfortable. So that's a complete look inside the 2026 Chevy Camper van, a true home on wheels that brings together innovation, comfort, practicality, and modern luxury in one beautifully designed vehicle. If you love travel and freedom and want the perfect mix of adventure and home comfort, then this is the ultimate machine for you. Get ready because the future of mobile living has arrived, and Chevy is leading the way. Stay tuned to new car updates for more exciting reviews and vehicle breakdowns coming soon.